people, welcome back to our channel Kushi Thoughts. In this video I am going to share about waterfall painting. Let's start. Wait. Before starting our video, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Kushi Thoughts. All we need is a canvas. If it's not available, we can also use a drawing paper, pencil, scale, brushes and paints. Step 1. Let's paint the background. Colors that are needed are white, cobalt blue and lemon yellow. Now blend the two colors. Now I am taking black and Persian blue colors. The final outlook of step 1. In step 2, we will draw a waterfall by using colors cobalt blue and white. To paint a waterfall, we need a flat brush or a round brush. The final outlook of step 1 and step 2. For step 3, we are drawing plants and rocks. Colors that are needed vermilion hue, brown, white, green and lemon yellow. step 3. In last step, we are going to draw flowers by using these colors. They are green, white, vermilion and lemon yellow. This is the final outlook of our waterfall painting. I hope you all like this video. See you soon with another video. Stay home, stay safe and thank you. Bye bye. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Kushi Thoughts.